So I'm here tonight getting tacos at the truck. Last week we went to the restaurant to get the tacos, but this is the actual truck. I will show you. So here's the truck. It is
I can't even fit. I was like, do I open this can of
the
beans?
king,
Okay.
the king of the taco. It is the best tacos. And then I'll show you the tacos.
That's true. He likes the like this thing, right? Oh,
Here they are.
top.
They're the same tacos we got last week, the cecina tacos. They're really, really the best. If you haven't tried them, you should definitely try them. And you should definitely try the King of the Taco. There's, if you live in New York City, there's one on 30th Avenue in Queens. And there's also one on Ditmars Avenue in Astoria.
Eat down and make people laugh at me.
I have to take my mask off to eat them. It's become like a part of me.
No, not after that. Shenanigans.
Ah!
Yeah, 428. I know, but when I looked, I thought they was only 2 tacos.
And even then, they still full.
Really big. Aprovecho.